In research, we want to turn to a person as a being who is self-creating himself and self-organization in one side. And the other side forms co-organization and co-creating like autopoietic organization. We are aware of complexity of autopoietic system. That is the reason why we investigate and focus on building blocks of model of conscious organization. We have found out that this topic is important and more relevant since a crisis of organizations, such as the destruction of human potential, creative abilities were detected. And we detect what is the issue in many organizations. We detect by human too many activity and not enough reflection. A person is creator of nature principles, self-organization, self-effect, self-production, self-creation, self-thinking, and self-conscience.